when we live in our own country, we get a lot of many opportunities to do small services, to serve humanity in different ways, do small types of khidmat. But in a Western society, how can we get that type of opportunity?
Well, there are many people who are needy here, who require help. You see, even in the great countries like America, etc., capitalist countries, there is great poverty. And you should find out the poor, not those who beg only for the sake of getting money for drinks, but those who are really suffering. They should be helped. And you should visit poor people's home, old people's home, and there inquire after people who thirst for somebody inquiring after them. So lots of opportunities are available here in England and in America, etc., which you can use to satisfy your will to serve.